Hey everybody, welcome back to the Skyway Classics channel. Today we've got a beautiful 68 Chevy Camaro SS 350 numbers matching. It's an automatic, beautiful gold color, gold leather interior to match as well. Just super nice, so clean. I'm in love with this car. It sounds awesome, drives great. Interior's in great condition. Go ahead, pop open the trunk real quick. You already got that pulled back, looking great there. Very nice. Hop up here to the driver's seat. Check out the cluster. It is at 68,000 miles. Love the wood grain. Looking very nice. All right, go ahead, start her up, take it for a spin, and put her on the way. Take the Camaro here for a spin. Sounds so good. Need to get some fuel in her. Just got her here at the shop, but let's take her down the road. Very nice, smooth ride. Love the way she sounds. Brakes work nice. Steering is nice and strong.